Discover the meaning of wrinkles. Although the wrinkles on your face are primarily signs of aging, they can also be clues for certain health problems depending on their shape and location. We will explain the meaning of wrinkles in this article. If you interpret them in time, you can not only prevent more wrinkles, but also detect certain health conditions. Horizontal lines on your forehead. The lines that appear naturally on your forehead can stay permanently marked over time. They are more common among people who worry often and tend to force this gesture. Certain evidence also shows that excessive consumption of fats and sugars can cause these lines too. If this information is correct, you should especially take care of your diet and watch out for all those foods high in fat, especially all types of trans and white sugar. Crow's feet. Crow's feet are a very clear sign of poor liver functioning. You can check if you have relatives with liver or bladder problems. Another way to check it is if you also suffer from a vision problem, as this may also be related to your liver. If so, you should also control your diet and feelings like anger that may also directly harm this organ. Lines between the eyebrows. A horizontal line between your eyebrows has two possible meanings: tendency to allergies or low libido. Another type of wrinkle between the eyebrows is vertical, which appears on the inner ends of the eyebrows. If it appears on the right side, it is related to the liver, while if it appears on the left side it is related to the spleen. Wrinkles on the sides of your forehead. Diagonal wrinkles can appear on the sides of your forehead that are related to some of the following conditions: high blood pressure, recurring feelings or anger or anxiety, whether they were shown or repressed, vertical wrinkles above your lip. These wrinkles appear easily on people that have been smokers for a long time, but also on those that have some type of sexual imbalance. In this case, we recommend help from a professional therapist. Vertical lines on the sides of your lips. These wrinkles have different meanings according to shape and location. A long line that is accentuated when you smile can indicate an imbalance in the pancreas and therefore the possibility of suffering from diabetes. An outer line, towards the cheek, can indicate a weak reproductive system. Other marks. Although they weren't really wrinkles, a red nose tip is related to an overworked heart, which is why you should control it, especially if you have family or personal history of cardiac problems. On the other hand, when you have swollen eyelids or bags under your eyes, you should pay attention to your kidneys. Natural remedies. Besides treating the organs that according to your face may be imbalanced, we will explain the natural remedies that will help you prevent and smooth wrinkles. Rosehip oil. This highly nutritious, regenerative, and healing oil is essential for older skin. If you have young skin, you should avoid it because it can cause pimples, because this is skin that is not very dry. Apply it directly to your face before going to bed as if it were a nourishing night cream. Etch mustard oil. This surprising oil will have an immediate effect on your face. To apply it, mix 15 drops of this essential oil with 50 milliliters of a base oil, wheat germ, sunflower, sesame, almond, etc., or base gel, moisturizing cream, aloe vera, etc. Grapeseed extract. You don't apply this extract but rather you consume it, around 75 to 300 milligrams a day for 3 weeks. Then reduce the dosage to between 40 and 100 milligrams a day. Blasts of cold water. To tone your face's skin, the easiest remedy is to do blasts of cold water regularly, which will increase the blood flow and improve your skin's regeneration. Excess consumption of food that is rich in salt can contribute to dehydrating your skin and as a result worsening wrinkles, which is why we recommend a balanced diet with reduced salt consumption and less salty food.